Hi, I'm making this video for the owner of Talem Home Care. I'm showing you a little bit about your competitors in the Denver area for home health care. So there's a couple things we look at for ranking your website, and one of them is how old your site is. This site shows that it's 4 years old, and we look at the quality, the content on your page, how many words of content. We generally recommend over 1,000. This is short of 1,000. And then we look at how many pages of content that you have, and then we want to outdo what your competitors have. So what I did is I searched for home health care in Denver, Colorado, and I clicked on Home Instead, Bayada, and SCL Health. And if you look at SCL Health, they've been around since 2014. They have 8,000 pages of content, and they have a little bit more content on there. Bayada, they're since 1997, and they have over 1,000 pages of content. Excuse me. And then there's Home Instead, and they've been around the same 1997, and they have 47,000 pages of content. And so those are big factors just for your own site in and of itself. Another thing we look at is the citations of your business. So citations are listings of your business, the name, address, and phone number. So for example, this is a listing. This is a citation of this business right here. So what we look for is how many consistent citations are exactly the same. They have the same name, address, and phone number. Maybe you changed your phone number, but it wasn't changed in the citation, or you moved locations and the address didn't get changed. And so to Google, it shows as inconsistent, and so they don't really recognize it as a citation source. So we want to see how many citations that your competitors have, and then outdo them. So according to this Talem Home Care, for this phone number in Denver, you have 2 citation sources. Now this isn't exactly 100%, but compared to other, when you look at other business owners in the area, they have quite a bit more. And so basically we want to do to outdo them on the number of citations. So another thing we look for is the keywords that you're ranking for. So when we look at SCL Health, home health, if someone searches home health care in Denver, they're showing up in the 7th position. That means they're on the first page, 7th one down. And so as you can see, many of these keywords are less than 10 or pretty close to. And then when we look at Home Instead, they're ranked number 1 for many of these keywords. They're ranking for their own keyword, their own brand, but they're still ranking for a lot of keywords here. I mean, thousands, 95,000 keywords at SCL Health, 1,100. Bayada, 34,000 keywords they're ranking for, many of them number 1. Home care agency, they're the 6th one down. And then some of these, all of these are on the first page, so that's a really good place to be. And then Talem Home Care, there's ranking for only 816 keywords, and none of them are ranking on the first page. They're all ranking higher. So then the last thing we look at is the backlinks. So backlinks are like votes to your site, and so backlinks, good quality backlinks, they're like when someone links to your site. And so not all backlinks are created equal, and some are better than others. And so the better the quality of the links that you have linking to your site, the higher this number here will be. So SCL Health has 34, and Bayada has 50, Homestead has 58, and Talem Home Care has 6. And so the higher, you want this number to be higher. And so, yeah, those are a few things to look for that you can work on to improve your site. Is getting content that's keyword rich, that has those keywords that you want to rank for instilled in your content with a good number, a good amount of those keywords, not artificially put in like spammy, but looking natural. And then getting more citations for your business, where you have the same name, address, and phone number, and then getting getting good quality backlinks for your site. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.